Good morning, students. In previous class, we have completed first chapter numbers. Now I will explain second chapter additions. Okay. Before that, I will say one story. Listen carefully. There was a farmer. He has 236 bags from his first farm and 123 bags from his second farm. Here, he want to sell these all product to the city. First, he want to find out how many total number of bags are here. For that, he wrote 236 plus 123. Look here carefully. He wrote ones place below ones place and tens place below tens place, hundreds place below hundred place. Means we have to arrange the numbers one below the other, one below the other by its place. And always we have to start additions from the ones place. Okay, look here, what is a digit in ones place? 6 plus 3 9. What is the digit in tens place? 3. Below 3 which number is there? 2. 3 plus 2 5. Next, what is the digit in hundreds place? 2. Below 2 which number is there? 1. 2 plus 1 3. So we got 359. Means here he has 359 bags with him. Here addition means putting the things together. Look here children, second example, 982 plus 769. Okay, first we will write these numbers here. First 982. So ones, tens, hundreds. Next 769. So we'll write from ones place. What is the digit in ones place? 9. So 9, 6, 7. 769. Now we have to do addition here. This is addition symbol. Okay. Look, always when we are doing additions, always we have to start from ones place. Which place? Ones place. What is the digit in ones place? 2. Here 9. 2 plus 9 is 11. Since 11 is a 2-digit number, this is ones and tens. 11 is a 2-digit number. We have to write these ones here and tens is taken as carry on the tens place. Okay. Now add these tens. 1 plus 8 9. 9 plus 6 15. What will get? 15. Since 15 also 2-digit number, so ones tens. We have to write ones place here and tens place is taken as carry on the hundreds place. Now add hundreds place. 1 plus 9 plus 7. 1 plus 9 10. 10 plus 7 17. Here thousands place any digits are given? No. So we will write this 17 as it is. What answer we got? 1751. 1751. Like this you have to do additions. Okay. Look here, textbook page number 94. These additions and these additions you have to do in textbook. This is your homework. Now I will explain these fourth bit word problems. Okay, 1 2 3 4 word problems. Look here, fourth bit. Will you add or subtract to get the answer? Solve the problems where you have to add. Okay. First A question. 265 people attended a music show on Saturday. 331 people attended it on Sunday. How many people in all attended the show? We have to do addition or subtraction. 265 people are attended on Saturday and 331 people are attended on Sunday. So how many people in all given means we have to do addition. Okay, look here, I will write answer. Fourth bit A answer. Number of people attended a music show on Saturday. How many people attended? 265. Okay. Now, number of people attended that show on Sunday. How many people attended on Sunday? 331. So add these two. Okay. I think you have red line like this in your fanos. After the red line, do this addition. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 2 plus 3, 5. Total how many members attended? 596. So, therefore, total number of people attended the show equal to 596. Now look at B question. Mintu read 2 books during the holidays. One book had 236 pages and other book had 164 pages. How many pages did he read in all? Here in all given means we have to do addition. So add or separate means add. Now B solution. Number of pages read in one book. How many pages he read in one book? 236. And number of pages read in other book. He read 164. Now we have to do this addition. 236 plus 164. Ones, tens, hundreds. Look, 6 plus 4, 10. So 0 here, 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 0 here, 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Therefore, he read 400 pages in all. Okay. This you can write outside of the line or here also. Now look at C question. There were 567 people on a train. 234 people got down at a station. How many people are there on the train now? Means what we have to do, addition or subtraction. There are total 567 people are there. From that 234 people are got down at a station. So how many people are there on train now means what we have to do? Subtraction. Okay. Look here. See answer. Number of people on a train. How many are there? 567. 567. Okay. From that, number of people got down at a station. How many people got down at a station? 234. Now do subtraction. 567 minus 234. 7 minus 4, 3. 6 minus 3, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. 333. Therefore, 333 people are there on the screen. Now look at D question. Children counted flowers in their school garden. There were 254 roses and 436 lilies. How many flowers were there in all? What I said, in all given means we have to add. Okay. First, number of roses. Number of roses. How many rose flowers are there? 254. Now, number of lilies. 436. Now, total number of flowers. Total number of flowers. Add this. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6. 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. So, 0 will write here. 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 5. 6. 6 plus 3. 9. 2 plus 4. 6. Therefore, total 690 flowers are there in the garden. Look here, exercise 1. I question. In a school library, there are 3425 story books and 2304 subject books. How many books are there in the library? Okay. So, number of story books. 3425. Now, number of subject books. How many are there? 2304. So, we'll write these numbers here. 3425, 2304. Now, do addition. This is addition symbol. Always we have to start addition from ones place. 5 plus 4, 9. 2 plus 0, 2. 4 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. So, therefore, how many books are there in the library? There are 5729 books in library. Now look at J question. Aarti has 2 stamp albums. One album has 2306 stamps and the other album has 3143 stamps. How many stamps does Aarti have in all? So first, Aarti has 2 stamp albums. One album has 2306 stamps. So, number of stamps in one album. 2306. Number of stamps in other album. 3143. How many stamps does Aarti have in all? In all means we have to do addition. So 2306 plus 3143. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 6 plus 3, 9. 0 plus 4, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 3, 5. Therefore, Aarti has 5449 stamps. Thank you.